Hello, West Point. This video is going to show you how to configure your Priority Standards data tracking template so that you can go ahead and share it with your students and they can start tracking their own progress. The first thing we'll want to do is open up the Priority Standards template that you were able to access using the first video that you saw. So you're opening up the template. You've already made a copy of it. This is your personal document. And what we need to do at this point is upload the standards into this area up at the top. So you can see where it says insert standard abbreviation and insert standard text here. In this box, we see an example of a standard from ELA 8th grade and what it would look like once the standard has been pasted into the template. So you're going to go ahead and access your priority standards wherever you currently have them housed. In my case, this would be in a curriculum repository that I received as part of the middle school ELA PLC. If you are not sure how to access your priority standards, then I would suggest talking to your team lead and asking them to send that to you. So my first priority standard is reading information 1. So I'm simply going to copy the text of the standard. Control C is copy after I've highlighted it. I'll return back to my priority standard tracking template, and where it says insert standard text here, I'll highlight that and then select Control V to paste. Up here where it says insert standard abbreviation, I'm going to type in 8.RI. We'll just double check. Remember, it was RI.1, RI.1. Click anywhere outside the box, and then that is saved. I would go to my next standard, which is RI.6. Copy the text using Control C. Returning to the template, I would highlight this text and use Control V to paste it. I don't want that in bold, so I would just highlight that and then select the B. Highlight this. 8.RI. In this case, it's .6. I would use this process to fill in all of those standards. I would suggest if you teach elementary school, you might create tabs down here for the different classes that you teach. If you are departmentalized, you might create tabs down here for the different types of standards. So for example, on the priority standard tracking sheet that I'm using, I have a tab for reading information, a tab for reading literature, a tab for writing, and a tab for language standards. This is the process that you're going to use to copy and paste in the standards so that your data tracking template sheets contain the standards for the specific course that you teach. Thank you.